I should probably change my shirt.
This is where I realized I deleted the intro I made, so hopping right into it.
Hey everyone, so from the last video you knew I was going to be doing a house tour. I was too lazy to change shirts, so
don't even come for me right now.
Doing it.
You're happy, you're here, you're cool.
I apologize ahead of time if there's like a slightly shaky hand because I'm not used to filming. Get a selfie stick that I want Ryla not to be like
popping or anything.
But I'm going to be doing a house tour. Mainly because my host parents aren't here in the room, in the houses.
It's empty.
For me. But I'm currently in my room right now. The lighting sucks. It's like 6 or 7. And the sun's down by now. But this is my room and I will show you guys really quick. If you want a more in-depth room tour, and please let me know and I'll show you guys around. But for now we're just gonna do a little walkthrough, a little some, and get you guys going. Okay, so if we're starting inside of my room, this is the entrance and there's stuff over here that's like working out and stuff. That's my suitcase that I came with and my dirty clothes basket. But this, I could be using it to work out because I honestly want to, but it's a place for my towels and my coat. And then you have the bookshelf, family photos. For some reason there was a microphone in here already, for some reason. And then we have the dresser, which actually, you think it's huge, but the only drawer that actually belongs to me is that one. And this was a gift for my birthday from one of the other exchange students from Italy. Then I have my windows. They're closed right now because they are tinted, but if it's nighttime and the light is on, then you can see inside. Every day at a certain time, I close them. I have my little nightstand here. And it's just like another basket that I keep like toiletries and stuff in, and like my towels. Then there's my mountain of stuffed animals. Some of them mine, some of them not. And my bed. And there's my little closet area. We actually got this the second or third day I was here to keep most of my clothes. And then I keep this here.
But my host mom flexing on us with that Louis though.
Come on, come through.
And then we have some manga from my host sisters. At my desk and see.
My best friend's better than yours.
And I know you're gonna talk about my water bottles. I know.
But listen.
Okay, so this is what the outside of my room looks like, and there's just a lot of boxes.
Like, a lot.
And then we have a lot of books, DVDs, etc., and pictures of the king and family, I believe. And then there's a little praying station. Fun fact, I actually walked in on my host father meditating, praying one day to use the bathroom because the bathroom is right over there. That's my door. And I felt so bad. It was like 11. It was like 1 in the morning and I should have been sleeping, but I
wasn't.
Because I was talking to who else, but y'all know who. Okay. So the bathroom isn't anything special.
Flexing on you.
The shower, you can actually control the temperature. You have a detachable and non-detachable head. And I never know what this is specifically for, but I barely use it because the water keeps running for the most part. Cute. And you have your mirror, all of the stuff. I don't really keep anything in here besides my contact solution. Luckily we have toilet paper because my last soap and hand soap. And you have your toilet.
Whatever.
Okay, so moving on, right here is my parents' room. I'm obviously not going to show you that. This light doesn't work, but we're gonna come down here. Lots of photos and like some vintage or like something wine, whiskey. Then you have the living room and kitchen. This is a little foyer. So there's like a bunch of storage space back here that you can't really see. And a little bench. And those are the front doors.
They can't be only doors.
And this is where we keep some of our shoes inside, some of the shoes stay outside. So this is the kitchen. Nice and homey and quaint. The first thing you'll notice is the immense amount of stuff. Then you have one fridge, which I don't really know what's in it.
But I mean, I use that to like dry my hands when I
Wash your hands.
This fridge is decorated, and it's also where the main food is. And I'm allowed to go in the fridge.
Anytime I want.
We just got some oranges today, so, and like some cake that like,
Isn't that good? But it is.
and this is where she cooks. I help wash dishes sometimes, but sometimes she doesn't let me. And this is her domain. And then wrapping it up, we just have the living room area, lots of pictures. There's a piano,
but they don't really use it.
and that's another bathroom. It's like,
Nothing special.
but there's so many pictures. They actually hosted another exchange student from Rotary before, and then multiple other exchange students, and have sent their own kids out. We have our television, and like a bunch of decorations, and it's just a living room. Like, I can't say much about it, honestly. Also, I don't know. Okay, I know how to turn on that light,
Right?
but the light switches are behind that painting, and me trying to turning on like both the lights, I almost knocked the painting down, and I just really don't want that to happen, so I gave up. But this host family really enjoys cute stuff, and I really love that about them, and they almost collect everything, and they have so many pictures, and they appreciate so many things, and I'm honestly like, I'm so happy here. I kind of don't want to switch, you know, but it'll happen at some point with Rotary. I really enjoy it here. This is my second host. My first host is, sorry, I've been looking at
Myself.
my first host is a whole different story, but maybe I'll make a video on it, but I've been debating because I don't want to seem mean or like, you know, over dramatic or disrespectful, so I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna sit on it, but for now, with my second host,
I'm happy, I'm thriving,
And
and I have school tomorrow.
so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start editing and I'm gonna start preparing for my Nanowrimo novel. If you don't know what that is, I'm making another video on it, and I'm gonna upload these about the same time. And yeah, I hope. Thank you for keeping up to date with my exchange. It's been going pretty well. Now, it's a, you know. But I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe, please like, please share. I don't know. Trying to get that, not that YouTube money, because we know how YouTube is with that. I don't know, I'm just trying to help people. I'm just trying to create, you know? See you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Already said that. See you guys next video. Bye-bye. I want to know who this is. Like, iconic. Also, okay, I see you. And I see you, cuties. I actually like Heike decided to eat some oranges.
there's a dog. Or that.
If this video gets no likes, I'm doing a mukbang. How iconic would that be?